Hello folks, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in this video session, we'll be having the first part of what actually Kali Linux is, and we'll be having a certain discussion regarding what actually the flavors which are been available, and we'll be also having some information regarding this Kali Linux. So basically, when we discuss about Kali Linux, which is a powerful command and a penetration testing distribution by offensive security. So it is available in 64 and 32 bit and ARM flavor. Okay, with the help of Kali Linux features, we can easily create custom complex images like Kali Linux basically features offers various certifications such as OSCP, OSWE, OSEP, OSWP, OSCE, and KLCP. So these testing tools of Kali Linux commands can be categorized into information gathering, password based scenarios or password based attacks, and vulnerability assessments, web application exploitation tools, sniffing, spoofing, maintaining hashes, system services, and also reporting tools. Okay, so Kali Linux comprise various tools that can be used for wireless attacks and hardware hacking and forensic stress testing and reverse engineering. Okay, so a USB disk or hard disk or DVD can be used to install it. Okay, when it comes for network services with HTTP, MySQL, and SSH, these are quite useful when we are using those Kali Linux commands. Okay, so basically, when we discuss about Kali Linux, operates on some Android devices even, so its producer is backtrack, okay, which is carried over to Kali via live boot. Okay, so the systems becomes easy to use once the user gets the command over it. Okay, so we'll be having the discussion regarding date command, call command, cd command, cp command, whois command, ls command, cat command, mkdir command we have already discussed, and remove command, move command, unnamed command, uname or uptime, user command, less command, more, vi, free, sort, history, pwd. Okay, present working directory. Okay, so these are the list of commands which we'll be discussing. Okay, starting with the command known as the date. So date command is used to display the system date, and we can even say time. Okay, in order to display the date, we have to use called date. Okay, so date here it is the date, exact date and time. Okay, as per the eastern time which has been showing here, we have date command to use and to call. Then after we have cal command. Cal command displays the current month formatted calendar on our terminal screen. Okay, so if we require a more advanced version of call, we can install the n. Okay, let me show n call package. Okay, n call package for installation of a more displayed version, but we have call command to display the calendar. Okay, so for that we can call it as cal. Okay, so call not found, but can be installed with app install call. Okay, do you want yes or no? Let me type yes. So it is installing the call command for you and unable to locate package call. So let me take this again. So no. Okay, so it is haven't installed. Okay, because building dependency and read information was done but unable to locate the package and call. Okay, so let it be, no issues on that. Okay, so then after we with call command we can display all the list of dates which are been available. Okay, no issues on that. So then after we have cd command where it usually displays the we can say change directory. We used to use this command basically to change or switch the current working directory also, we can say. Okay, so then after we have cp command which basically copies the file from one folder to another folder. We have cp command. Okay, which basically been used for the interface. Okay, so we have ois command, w h o a I m. So whom command basically been used to say about or we can say is used to print the effective user ID. Okay, so this is the user ID root. Okay, we can say root where the whose command who. So who command is basically been used for we can say information gathering user who presently logged in. Okay, so tty7 and root. So these are the different users which been in logging logged. Okay, okay. So this is how actually the working of who command is used. List command which basically used to list the working directories. Okay, so then after we have ls slash al, so which says about the directory and its privileges, and rwd read write and execute permission. What are the read write execution permission which have been available for these all things will be displayed through command known as a ls slash ai. Okay, so then after we have cat command. So cat command is a concatenate command in one Kali Linux most commonly used command, permitting us to create single or many files, connecting files, or and rewrites view contain of files output in terminal or files. Usually we use this cat command to display the content of a file. Okay, so this is how actually the file basically been used. Okay, so let me say and list the files to you, and these are the list of files. If I want to create any file, right, so I can use like mkdir hip, for an example create, for example cyber tech. So I have created a directory called what, cybertech. So here you can see cybertech. So cybertech has been created. Okay, so under cyber I have to change my directory to cybertech. So here you can see I have inside cybertech. So I have to check what are the list of directory which have been available in the folder cybertech. Nothing. So again I have to create, for example I have to create any file. Okay, inside cybertech touch tech education txt. Okay, so I have created a file known as text file in the name of cybertech education. So let me list that. So here you can see these are the list of you can say this is how actually text file has been created through touch command. Okay, so let me check. So for an example, if I have to remove this, we can also remove from through the command like rm slash with the file name. I have to remove this rm cyber tech. So ls, so here I have removed this and you can see nothing file has been available. So now I have to move back from my directory. So pwd, so here is the pw present working directory. I have moved from my tree and I have to list this. So here you can see these are the list of directories which are been available. Now I have to delete this cybertech. So the command known as, it will show wrong, rm plus rc. See, it has been removed. So this is how folk the basic commands which has been used. In the upcoming video we'll be discussing advanced queries. I hope this session is informative.